Locks. Some new meat on there too?
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
New month, new rod.
What's up?
New month, new rod.
Yeah.
You're sweaty.
Yeah, dude.
We're damp today.
Welcome to the shop of hell.
Satan's asshole. Oh, there it is.
If you're not working on a fan, you're dying.
That's why the cars in the dyno don't have a fan, but everybody else does.
Nice.
It's not nice. Sucks. Did you say it's nice?
I wasn't responding to that. I was responding to our importance over the cars and how we take the fans.
That's right.
Like the fan, the dyno fan.
The dyno fan?
Yeah.
I have it on my bed.
What we got?
I gotta do a tech tip every episode. I don't know, what do you guys want? What do the viewers want?
I don't know.
Some hillbilly redneck?
Yeah. Hey. Does chocolate go in the fridge?
What the f else would go? Microwave?
Okay, but you know, when you get chocolate, where do you put it?
In the fridge.
For like right when you buy it?
Yes, absolutely.
That's f***ing weird. Brian? Doesn't. Does not
I
go
only go put it in the fridge if I know it's even kind of melty.
Thank you.
But then again, I'm a connoisseur of the dark chocolates, and it doesn't melt as easy as the milk chocolates.
You're right.
It stores much better.
You're right. Yeah. So
dry place.
Yeah. But like the $3 chocolate bars at Safeway, they don't melt quite as fast. The ones that have the salty caramel filling.
Oh God!
So good.
I get the Ghirardellis, the sea salted caramel.
Yep. Exactly.
And I eat the shit out of those.
They're so good.
Like every time someone's like, "Hey, go to the store, anything?" Yeah, I just need Ghirardelli bar. Like 5 of them.
If I'm in that corner of the store, which is funny because it's closest to the veggies, should be fine. What?
Tech tip.
Tech tip? Does it involve guacamole?
Tech tip. So,
first get your extension cord.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Because you know what would have been okay?
Cinderella dressed in yellow went upstairs to kiss a fella, slipped and fell and hit her. What the f did she say after that?
Tech tip.
Plug in the wall and do another one.
No, plug it to the wall, take the sheathing off, and then do it like
This
is it's arcing off.
Live.
Yeah.
Oh!
You look like you do this a lot.
What's that term that the kids use? The engine bay is flossing.
Oh, it's Brian.
Not bad. Hot.
Needs more pulley, but that's when the cam comes into play.
Oh yeah, that's true. Was he gonna do a cam eventually?
That's why I didn't spec him a lower.
Oh.
I was like, dude, he's like, should I do an upper and a lower? I was like, you can, but if you know you're doing a cam, I gotta pull it off anyways.
Look at the gains. Game train.
130 foot-pounds of torque down low.
Pretty good.
Feel that? No.
Probably not.
I mean, that's pretty badass.
That is a lot of power. That is a proper amount of power. God, the torque curve differences is huge. There's like an inch of power on the screen right here.
There. Would you like some torque for your torque?
So we got green is 91, red is 80.
Yeah, so blue is before baseline. Pump. E.
Okay. Cool. That's some serious gains. Even just on 91, it's huge. Huge.
Huge. SS1 prop making more pulls.
Yeah, I heard about that.
It was like a big monster.
Really? Oh my god. So what you're saying is you'd not recommend the comp turbo to anybody?
Well, their turbo kit basically has you do a few things that comps don't do.
Oh,
They
okay.
run a dash 3 feet. The drain needs to be X size and don't have more than 50 psi oil pressure.
Don't have more than 50 psi of oil pressure?
Yeah.
You just
You're
restrict
like,
it?
that's an LS.
Yeah, how do you...
What are you gonna do?
Oh my god.
Oil everywhere, man.
It coated it. What did you think it was?
I don't know.
Were you afraid it was the motor or no?
No. Because it was doing it idling.
Oh, it was doing idling. Okay.
We're not going to get an accurate reading.
Yeah, right? Or is it, I mean, with that much oil on it, who knows?
How much oil is still blowing out the blow off. Whenever I let out.
Oh, it's still coming out of the blow off? So it's still doing the same,
No, it's better. It's way better.
but it's still doing it though, right?
I think it's just residual. Because they had them essentially run a smaller feed line.
Yeah. And it's just
everything
still,
else.
Does it get better with each pull or no?
It seems to be. So I think we're just working all the old schmutz out.
Yeah.
It's everywhere, man.
But the mass sensor looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the situation, Brian?
Back deck.
Situation normal? All fucked up?
Situation normal, yeah.
Snafu. Hey, it looked, at least the oil makes everything look really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Makes that red all nice and shiny and flaky
Yeah.
and
It looks
stuff.
like extra gloss. Hey, Batch.
Hey, Badge.
How's it going? Are you doing a
$100
clutch?
jump rope. Back to a clutch.
Jump roping. Good. You're getting better. Finally putting one of these glides I keep hearing about in. It's a pretty hard install, or? Really?
Whoever this up, total idiot.
Really?
It's so easy.
How long do you think it'll take? End of the week, maybe?
Oh yeah, no, it'll be in tomorrow.
No way.
Yeah.
That's so cool. I'm
It's
so
all-
excited.
It's all little things like wiring up a trans brake,
Oh, okay.
getting the trans cooler figured out, because there's so much stuff, you know.
Right,
you don't
right,
put a Powerglide in a stock car where you have a lot of room up front, you know. You put
Yeah.
in a car like this where you got an intercooler, you got an oil cooler, you got a big old fan radiator deal.
What trans cooler are you guys
I
doing?
don't know. I'm gonna go and
Pick
online
apart?
and see what I can. I'm gonna pick apart.
Steal one off the truck.
What I'm
Heavy
gonna do
duty?
is probably go to the dealership, do like the Tahoe upgrade.
Yeah, I'll do the Tahoe
If you get-
Extreme.
yeah.
Tahoe Extreme.
You get the towing package, comes that cooler.
The Z71. Yeah,
I'm gonna do
that's the
two
one.
of those.
That's a good idea. I'll do that. Just run them in line.
Parallel.
Yeah. Just make like 6 radiators, like, you know.
Yeah.
Then have it run through the radiator. Just have a radiator and then put like a dash, like,
Better yet,
2.
I'll just tee into the radiator hose.
That's a good idea. And then it'll cool it off way better. Way, way better.
So I had this one lady in the dealership once back when I worked there, and she had an Equinox. Lady comes in for a, her basic service, 60K, whatever. So I go to do the coolant flush on there, and I noticed that it was a milkshake. So anytime you see milkshake coolant, or it looks like a strawberry milkshake, the trans cooler that's inside of the radiator has failed. It's ruptured, so you're leaking transmission fluid inside. So while running, you have 200 psi and it's pouring into the coolant. And when you shut the car off, you have no transmission pressure, but you have coolant pressure, so it feeds back.
Oh, God.
So you've ruined both systems.
Yeah.
You're gonna need new hoses, you're gonna need a new radiator, and most likely a new transmission. It's gonna start slipping because the alcohol inside of the coolant delaminates
Clutches.
the clutches and all that. Delaminates the glue on the clutches. So a lady were like, hey, by the way, we don't want to continue on with any services, you know, because this is what it's looking like. You're gonna need a transmission. You guys are thieves. This is a crooked. I'm never coming to put my car back together. I'm never coming back here again.
You put it back together and she drove it away or no?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's funny because it's like if you're not a car person, you'd think you're.
I need a transmission. All I need is a coolant fluid.
Yeah. It's dumb, but
yeah. Sure. 2 weeks later, it's on the tow truck.
that's why like every car that I buy, I always bypass the transcooler.
Oh yeah. Even that
why
bodies, they get rid of the upper radiator.
Yep.
It's just its own deal. Stupid, you know.
Yeah.
Stop.
Back to the other.
Yeah, back to the other way, in here. Alright, right there, and then jack it up just there. Hi, Jimmy.
Hi.
Yeah, it's going pretty easy, thanks.
Yeah.
Frustration.
Hey, you struggling?
Hey, you struggling? Neil came over here, I'm like, Neil, I advise you to just not over here.
He goes, okay. At least he's completely understanding about it.
Yeah, it's very true.
That turbo's real whistly. Yeah. I like it a lot.
Sounds good.
That should feel pretty good.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'll let him know.
I'd say that's good. Brian, we're gonna want to keep an eye on the map. Maybe drive it a little bit.
Yeah, he wants me to drive it, take it home, drive it out of it.
Yeah.
And then before I give it back to him, I'll take it back.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more fuel just to try and make everything as safe as possible.
Oh, careful.
I've got the exhaust wrap too. I've got
After Nick makes a pull, I'm gonna go do a burnout outside. I got no rear brakes.
That'll make it easy then.
Master cylinder.
You were shooting some flames.
Now I know why bikers are always on the limiter, dude.
Yeah.
It's good. You're looking at the tach, it's like buried.
It just feels
16,
good.
17,000 RPM.
Tires are nice and sticky. Go do a wheelie now.
I should, huh? Oh, it's not a posi, so as far as right side is good.
They were both spinning.